Welcome to another short video from the An Inspired Life podcast series. I'm your host, Kiara O'Leary, and I'm here to help you find freedom and purpose by embracing your divine feminine power.
It's so funny, we kind of tie, I did this a lot last week as well, we kind of tie our self-worth or like our feeling of being enough in terms of whether we're doing enough or not, you know, like how can you only work like an hour a day because there's like this whole like mental paradigm around you must work a lot, you must work long hours, you must get a lot done, you know, whereas the feminine is like you just need to feel what goes on and, you know, be free and flow and go with what happens. And that's always like in my experience, that's always when the best things happen, you know.
Absolutely.
Do anything all day and then you get a brilliant brainwave and you share it in a YouTube video and you get to help, you know, hundreds of people who see it. That to me is more powerful than if you sit at home and you can reply to emails all day and be productive. It's funny because we all do it, like just like you know, fill work out with study.
Absolutely, and I guess you can also say that that's what I'm still dancing with that every day now, especially with having to monitor my own time and be accountable in terms of committing to plans with other people. It brings up a lot of that whole, sometimes I'm like, oh, I don't feel like working today, or in that way I feel like being super creative, but when I'm super creative I don't necessarily have many tangible things to tick off.
The world needs more love and inspiration, so if this message touched you in any way, please share. It just might be the message someone you love needs to hear today. And if you would like to hear the whole podcast, then please check us out on iTunes. The link is below. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.